So I'm going to show you how to pull information through Title Toolbox while using an EDDM route that we found on USPS.com. So for the Every Door Direct, we found that over here in Garden Grove, if we want to look up this route information through Title Toolbox, we'll see that the routes, this one is C024. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Title Toolbox. And I'm going to go to farming and click on area search. Here we need to make sure we change this to Orange County since Garden Grove is in Orange County, not LA. In Garden Grove. We're going to go to other, and then we'll see where it says carrier route. And then it was C019 is an example that we can use. Oh, you know what? I need to take out this hyphen. Okay, and then it shows 401 properties. And then if we want to look at that property information, we just click on download. And then from here, it's going to give us that information, and then we can save that farm.